Hi everybody, it's Joe. Just thought I'd show you the weatherman's right. We got snow and a lot of wind. Wind's really been a-blowing, and I noticed earlier that my windmill, my little brackets holding it down must be getting loose because it was kind of tipping a little bit. But it's been a-blowing pretty good. I don't know if you can see it better out here or not, but my daughter got home from work and she said roads were good. It's just windy and visibility was bad because it was snowing worse than what it is now. And it's patchy in different areas. But supposedly it's supposed to be out of our area around 5 or 6 o'clock. So we can only hope. But quite a change from yesterday, that's for sure. It was like 80 degrees yesterday. It was pretty nice. I don't know what tomorrow's supposed to be like. I haven't heard. But most of it's melting as it comes down. Streets are pretty clear, but of course we get snow on the grass, but that's usually the way it is. Well, I thought I'd show you. But the wind is really a-blowing. Got some high gusts. Well, I guess we'll see you later. Have a good day and take care.